I am going to say this once and then keep it moving. You know the major cause of most celebrity fights? I am sure some of you know, but you might not even really know. It is the fans and the blogs. They work hand in hand. A celebrity posts something, might not even be directed to a particular celebrity. The fans will go to the other celebrities that they feel the post is for and be like,
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa NKECHI blessing jáde wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ FUNKE AKINDELE àti arábìnrin ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ Toyin Abraham tí ó snọ́ọ̀bù rẹ̀. ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí NKECHI blessing sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní movie premiere arábìnrin yìí tí a mọ̀ sí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó.
Mama, have you seen what Lagbaja posted? Have you seen what Amedu posted? She's talking to you. She's referring to you. And then boom, blogs will pick it and create their own narrative. Just like that. Una will just start fights for where fights no dey. Why am I saying this? I have had my own fair share of these particular people. They don't jam me, my head, and some other people head together for a very long time. You know? And me, those years, when I noticed these things, those years, something if it just come my head, I would just post that for myself. I was very careless about how I post before. That's why when they say every week, day in, day out, I am always on the blog. When I realized that, I stopped it totally. If I want to begin trend for 365 days, I go the trend. But I don't want to be trending for the wrong reasons anymore. So you fanatics, you lovers of a particular celebrity, it is high time you people stop your nonsense. Una they fuel a lot of bad energy around these celebrities. And to the celebrities too, try and have a mind of your own. You know, they always caused a fight between I and one particular celeb, but we sorted it in the DM. Do you know what she did? She sent it to me. Nkechi, they said you are referring to me. I said, Mama, have you ever had any fights before? She said no. Have you ever had any confrontation before? She said no. And at there it end. If not, me and that particular celeb before, no, they talk, for don't